Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Garima and I make videos about home decor, DIYs and lifestyle improvement. So in today's video I'm going to do a Miniso haul. Few weeks back I went to Miniso store in my nearby mall and I bought few stuff for my new home, mostly organizers and daily use stuff for my new home, which I'll be sharing with you today. If you are not aware about Miniso, Miniso is a Japanese lifestyle inspired store and they sell a lot of beautiful organizers, stationery items, cosmetics, and they have got some very unique items as well which you will not find anywhere else. Their price range is also quite affordable and you will love their product. If you love cute bags and purses and maybe some soft toys, then also you will love Miniso store a lot. They are present in a lot of Indian cities and you can easily find their addresses on the Miniso's official website. Before sharing my haul, I'm going to take you on a small tour of the Miniso store. Miniso is one of my favorite lifestyle store. You can find varied items ranging from body sprays to table mats to organizers to purses and bags to cushions. There are unlimited options. I love their fragrance section, so whenever I am visiting their store, I always remember to pick up a candle or two. I always buy my mask also from Miniso because they are extremely comfortable and high quality. And if you're someone who loves collecting beautiful and cute stationery items, then I think Miniso is just like a candy land for you. You will find so many beautiful and cute notebooks, notepads, pens and pencils, rubbers. There are so many options, you will love it. You can also find a lot of interesting options in their cosmetics category, whether it is affordable range of nail paint or face mask or face cleansers, scrubbers. There are a lot of options in this category as well. I loved the earring and clip section as well, so I picked one for myself. They have a dedicated sections for electronics as well, which mostly includes earphone and cable organizers. You can also find some interesting travel related items at Miniso. Miniso's towel collection is also pretty amazing. They have got some amazing soft towels for babies and for adults as well, and also you can find these cute towels for your guest washroom. Personally, I'm a big fan of their bag collection, whether it is pouches or handbags or backpacks. They have got all sort of designs in a very affordable range and the designs are quite cute. You can use them for gifting as well. Their throw pillow and cushion section is equally cute. You can find some action figures and various designs. There are different options, some cute dolls as well. My daughter went crazy after looking at all these dolls. Neck pillows from Miniso have always been popular in India due to their affordable price range. I love purchasing organizers from Miniso for two reasons. First of all, they are very pocket friendly. Secondly, their quality is good. Even though they are made of plastic, but it is not cheap plastic. The plastic quality is quite good, and you can easily use them to organize different sections of your home. I also love purchasing these organizers from Miniso. They are made out of some fabric, but the quality is just amazing. They are very sturdy. You can keep them for organizing your quilts, your cushions, your kids' clothes, anything you like. And they are available in different designs, different sizes. You can pick any according to your requirement. Their bath mats are also one of my favorite products. I also love this Chotusa dustbin. This is meant for keeping in your study area or workspace. So maybe I'll purchase it next time. I really found it very cute. Miniso has also got a lot of items for your kitchen like plates and bowls for your kids, and these cute mugs are also available. And also I loved these tumblers for traveling. These quirky flip-flops from Miniso have always been popular choice in India, especially during summers. They have got very interesting and quirky designs. You can check them out. I understand due to COVID situation, it is not suggested that you should visit the store physically, but you can always order online through Amazon. Most of the Miniso products are available on Amazon India. So do check out their range. Miniso is just like a Pandora's box. You can find anything interesting for your daily use. And now we will move on to the haul part. So the first product which I'm going to show you is this beautiful stitching kit. I randomly spotted it and I loved it. I always wanted to have an organized kit for my home, and I love this sleek and cute kit. It has got scissor as well, it has got needles as well at the top, and then we have got 12 rolls of thread in different colors. This is a very useful product. You can easily organize your stitching supplies at one place. So I totally loved it, and this is just for rupees 190. Next product which I got from Miniso is meant for organizing my kitchen pantry. So very often whenever we are organizing our pantry, we got these packets with some leftover amount of pasta or maybe suji and besan, things like that. So I don't like the open packets, and often we have to find out rubber bands and all that for organizing and closing the packet. So this time I got these colorful sealing clips. These are very sturdy. I like their quality a lot. These are quite strong and they are going to stay for really long duration. So I can use these clips to close the open packets and easily organize my pantry. And I promise you, whenever I am done setting up with my new kitchen, I will give you tour of my pantry and kitchen. But till then, you can check out these clips. These clips are just for rupees 200. Purchase from Miniso is set of these gorgeous 4 silver clips. I really love them. They are so pretty. I can use them. My daughter can also use it. These are quite beautiful. I will show you how one of the clip will look. So these look quite classy. I love them, and the whole packet is just for rupees 140. So I totally loved it. Next product is meant for organizing my lipsticks and nail paints and all of that. This is basically a box, And this is a huge box. You can easily organize your stuff, because if you keep your lipsticks and nail paints in open, then they tend to gather a lot of dust, and I do not like that. So I wanted to keep them in a box, and this box is for rupees 230 only. Next product is also part of my vanity. So I love using these lemon wipes from Miniso. Summers are approaching and you tend to get sweaty even if you are stepping out for a short while for grocery or for small chores. So I love keeping these wipes in my handbag whenever I am sweaty or not feeling very fresh. Then I love using these wipes. This packet has got 30 sheets and this costed me rupees 100 only. Next product is our family favorite product. All my family members have been using this product. We have also gifted them. So we love using these travel bottles from Miniso. So basically you can store some amount of shampoo or body wash and your hand cream, feet cream, whatever. This kit has got small bottles, so you can easily organize your daily toiletries, and even for your kids you can organize and store their lotions and body wash and all of that. And this packet costed me around 200. Next product was purchased on my husband's demand. So he is a Marvel fan, so we got this cute notebook and this costed rupees 150 only, and this has got around 30 sheets, and this is very useful for your daily office notes or just for writing anything you like. This is a very cute notebook. They had got different designs. You must have already seen in the clippings of the store tour. Next product which I got from Miniso are these pore strips. So I've been watching a lot of reviews about them on YouTube and Instagram, because these days you can't risk going to salon for face cleanup and facials. So I thought, let me grab one. These are apparently very good for whitehead, blackheads and any buildup around your nasal area. So I'm going to try these and I will let you know how they are working for me. And these costed me rupees 190 only. Next product is again meant for organizing my kitchen pantry. So this is a rectangular box. So I have got 2 such boxes for organizing my pantry, and this costed me rupees 250 each. They have mentioned it as underwear organizer, but I'm going to use it in my pantry for organizing small knickknacks in my kitchen. Next I have got 2 bath mats for my new home. So I have tried to match them with the tiles in both the washrooms, guest washroom and my own washroom. So one is in grey and other one is in teal blue, and these are slip proof. They have got a kind of a coating at the back, so the mat will not slip. This is very good for your washroom, and each of the mat costed me rupees 200 only. And I love the color. The material is quite soft and you will love standing barefooted on them. So these are quite good for rupees 200. Next product was again purchased on my husband's demand. So he wanted this cute bottle for himself. He keeps traveling a lot, and during flights you can only carry water in certain amounts. So this bottle was perfect for his requirement. So this is a cute little bottle with the handle, so you can easily hang it with your laptop bag and all. So this is quite cute. Next product which I'm going to show you, I think this is quite a unique and useful product. So I got these hooks for my car. These hooks are meant for back of your headrest. So basically you can hang them at the back of your headrest, and then you can hang any grocery bags or your laptop bag. So basically you are not taking up your space in the car, and you can easily organize your back section of the car. And this costed me around rupees 190 only. So this is quite a good product. Next product is basically meant for road trips, which is not going to happen anytime soon, but let's be hopeful and positive. So we have got this cutlery set. So basically you can keep your spoon, fork and knife in this beautiful box, and then you can pull out whenever you want to use it, and then you can keep it back. So your cutlery will stay clean and you do not have to use any plastic ones. So this is quite good, and this is just for rupees 260 only. Lastly, I'm going to show you another storage product. So I love organizers from Miniso. They are quite cute and sturdy. So I got another one from Miniso. This is a big storage bag. So I'm going to use this bag for organizing my saris and maybe woolen wear. So I will show you the inner section. I hope you can see. This is how the bag looks. You can easily organize good amount of stuff here, and this has got a metal structure as well. So this is quite sturdy, trust me. You can easily pull out and keep it here and there. It has got two sturdy handles. The print is quite beautiful. You can organize your woolens, your occasional wear, things like that. Such organizer boxes are very good for organizing your home, and this particular one costed me rupees 700 only. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this small haul, and I'll try and link all the products, whether on Amazon's website or Miniso's website. You can check them out and purchase them. They have got really unique and interesting products, so do check them out, and I will see you soon next week. Till then, take care and stay safe.